Colon cleansing is a popular practice among people seeking to detoxify their digestive system, and various drinks and diets claim to offer fast and natural results. While it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any detox or cleansing regimen, here's a common recipe for a natural colon cleanse drink that many people find effective. Natural colon cleanse drink recipe. Ingredients: 1. Warm water. 1 glass, about 250 milliliters. 2. Lemon juice. 1-2 tablespoons, freshly squeezed. 3. Apple cider vinegar. 1-2 tablespoons, organic, unfiltered. 4. Honey. 1 teaspoon, optional, for taste. 5. Ground ginger. 1/2 teaspoon, optional, for added benefits. Instructions. 1. Warm the water. Heat a glass of water until it's warm but not boiling. 2. Add lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into the warm water. 3. Add apple cider vinegar. Stir in the apple cider vinegar. 4. Sweeten with honey. If desired, add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten the drink. 5. Mix in ginger. Add the ground ginger if using, and stir well. 6. Drink. Consume the mixture on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Benefits. 1. Lemon juice. Rich in vitamin C. It helps stimulate the digestive system and supports detoxification. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Known for its probiotic properties, it aids in digestion and helps balance the gut flora. 3. Honey. Contains antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it beneficial for gut health. 4. Ginger. Can reduce inflammation and promote digestion. Additional tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins. 2. Balanced diet. Incorporate fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, to support regular bowel movements. 3. Regular exercise. Physical activity can stimulate digestion and support overall health. Caution. 1. Consult a doctor. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. 2. Moderation is key. Overuse of cleansing drinks can lead to imbalances and may affect your digestive health negatively. This natural drink, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can contribute to better digestive health and potentially lead to a feeling of increased energy and well-being.